People, welcome to today's lecture. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Slack. Slack is a communication tool. We use Slack to collaborate with our team member. We use it to communicate, collaborate with each other and stuff like that. Slack is not doing much. And remember what I always said, if a tool is not doing much, it will look very, very easy. And it is actually easy, very easy. So it's not doing much. So if you come here, um over here is our board, our interface where everything is happening. And if you come over here, you will see where my name is written. And if you click it, you will see you can add workspace to this place. This is basically where to add a workspace. And over here is our home. And in our home, you can upgrade subscription. And if you come over here, the drop down here, you can see where this is our workspace. You can see where you can upgrade, you can invite people to your workspace, and this is our preference, tools and settings. Sign in on mobile like your phone, you can sign out and open the Slack in a app, or so that is for this drop down. And if you come here, you can manage your sidebar and the rest. If you come over here, you can write a new message. And over here is our trend, over here is our huddle, draft and send a message. If you want to see the message you draft and the one you sent already, you can see it over here. So just home is just like an overview of everything. Like I always say, home is just like an overview of everything happening in your account. So yes, maybe you schedule a message and here is your sent. The one that you sent already, here's your draft. So that is it. I'll delete this. All right. So if you come here, you see all your channel. You can also create and manage your channel over here. So this is all the channel I have already. And you can add here. You can come over here and add more channel to your space. And over here, if you want to send a direct message, you can come add. You can come here, add, and then send a direct message to someone. I can also send this message, but if I want to send message over here, that is the conversation will be between me and myself. I am myself, sorry. Okay, so look at what they are saying here. Message and file on this free version of Slack are hidden after 90 days upgrade. Okay. This conversation is just between you and it's me and get, so no one else is seeing it. I can come here and invite more people. So this is our app center where you can integrate other apps to Slack. So you can add and the rest. So over here is our DM, all our messages, all our mention, everything about messages is where you are going to get them. So you can also create to do over here, just walk around. So this is for them and this is for activities, everything happening, all the things happening in this account. You see them here, all the message, all the mention, all the reaction, all the trend, everything happening. You can also set this for you to be shown all the unread message. You can also click it. That is for activities. I've come over here to our more. You see our templates, our automation, our canvas, our files, our channel, our people, and external connection. It is for that. But before I'll be able to create templates, automation and the rest, I have to upgrade. Probably if you're just opening Slack, you'll be offered a free plan, a free trial, and then you can use it and explore more. But for me, I cannot access this, so that is for that. And over here is, if you want to start a message, you want to create message that you can send and people communicate, you want to create something new, a personal place that other people can come and message you and start a communication and do that. So if you want to create a channel, you can also do that here as well. A huddle, if you want to start a huddle, like a short video meeting or audio chat, you can start it here. If you want to use this list and to track and manage projects, if you want to invite people, you can also do that here. All right, let's get ahead. And over here where you see your initial of your name, you can click to see what you can do here. And here you can update your status. What are they saying? So let me just come to profile so that I'll show you guys what I mean. And over here to profile, this is our name. You can edit this. You can come over here, edit to your full name. Let me edit that to my full name. So this is my full name. Then your display name, the name that you want your team members to be saying. So I can just go with testimony. This is the name I prefer people calling me. So you can come over here or upload your profile picture. So let me look for what to upload. You can just come upload anything. You can just come upload anything. So let me upload this one. Upload. My network should help me. I don't want to be full, seeing full. Let me just edit it. Yeah, and save. So, alright. So this is my name. Your title. You can come here and say, what is your start? Your title. Or you can also, yeah, your title. And over here, if you want to, pronounce your name, for some people that might be finding it difficult to, call or pronounce your name. So you can just, to make stuff easy for them, you can just come here and pronounce your name. Let me say, I don't want this. Testimony. Then I can just, see. Like, this is your personal profile where you can just edit your space. Yeah, it's very crucial, it's very, very important when you are working in a company. So you have to, when they invite you to the workspace, you have to set all this up for better reference, you understand? So I don't know, it's still loading. Probably my name should be pronounced here. And okay, you can also come here, add your time zone and all that. You can come here and save change. And you see here, you see how it now look like. My full name, Chukwu Ifnaya Testimony, customer support. I'm away at the moment. I can set that up later on. So you can come here. Testimony. You see, anybody that cannot pronounce my name can just click this so that they'll be able to, pronounce. And over here, our status is set to away. You can come here, set our status to, let me just set like a meeting, and the meeting should be over in 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, my status will now be set to available. So I'll come here and save. So you see, in a meeting, and over here you want to set a colleague at Ifnaya, view as a contact from other organization. You can just set anything you want, and you click these three dots. Let's see what is inside, and inside there you can copy display name. You can view reference, account setting, view your files, away set yourself to active. You can set yourself to active. You can copy member ID. Let me thought there's a way I can. Let me just go to my DM and first thing that my member ID I copied. See, this is the member ID I copied. Okay, so let's go back. So where are we? The three dots over here. So that is like I can copy link to profile. Just set the whole things to your test. And over here, let's check what is inside your preference. And in your preference, you can set things to your test as well. So your notification, if you want to set it to notify me about all new message or direct message, mention and keyword or nothing, you don't want notification, you can just set things up to your test and everything. And over here is your notification. If you want to show this tab in your navigation bar, if you want to show it over here, you can click. You see, showing automation should also show. Canvas should also show. It should be somewhere it is showing. Okay, so I don't want all these things because my interface will be bulky and I don't want that. So I'll just do that, since I can also access them in my mode, so I don't need to put them. So your home, how you want your home to look like, show option to personal organize a channel when joining. Just set things up, always show in this sidebar. You can, if you move it, you see, how do you see something is happening here? You see, okay, so you can come add that shown, add, you can show add. So let's leave it that way. So You just set things to your taste and appearance. This is where you set your themes, your colors, how your written letter should be. Let's come here, change how it should be. Let's use this. See, something's changing here. You guys should watch in this place. Something's changing. So see, but let me leave to this one. Um, this is our default. Let me leave to this one. Let me leave to this one. Since I'm the kind of person that love flashy and fancy stuff, let me leave it. And honestly, I love dark themes, but when you are teaching tools to others, it's not best to use it dark. We always use light one for brighter, for some people that is maybe having eyes in show or the rest. So I'll just set this to this now. Okay, so you can also come here, change the colors of this place. I don't like the way my color here is looking, so I can just come here, everything will be black. No, I don't want it. Which color would be nice now? I think I like this color. Okay, okay, and I like this color. Let me just use this. Just use this color, and that is for appearance. How all these things you just have to set. You just have to set it to your taste the way you like. This our message, and you know how you want it to be. Language, accessibility, how you want it to be. You can just walk through all this, set it to your taste, and that is for our preference. And over here to our settings, account settings. This should be done at the back end. As you can see, it directed us to another tab. This is where you can add two-factor authentication for stronger security, and this is where you can add more email where your email is. Then your time zone, you can change time zone, add a time zone, the language you are speaking, you can do that. So I don't want to start expanding and the rest. So over here, okay, so over here is you can go back to Slack because it's directed us to another tab, you feel. So you can go back to Slack. This is our home profile, and just this for notification. Where is for notification, where you can do some necessary settings, and here is for our profile setting. So I should download Slack or open this in your browser. I can open it in my browser. I can download, but I don't want to do that right now. So let's go away from here. So that is for the settings. And contact information, you can edit, add phone number. You can come here and add your phone number. You can edit your email to another one. Then about me, you can add a start date, like if you're invited to a workspace to start working, or for communication and the rest, you can add this when you started, and like when you started, and that is it. Just edit your profile, for better and easier visibility to others. So that is that for profile. And honestly, that is all about Slack. Slack is just communication. Come here, see your DMs, other people that are sending you message and the rest. You can come just reply, collaborate with each other, live talk some certain things, and that is all. That is all. Over here is help if you're having issue with some things and you feel that it's something that you need to contact Slack support. You can come here, ask for help, and that is that. Over here is our quick search. You have something that you have been looking for, but maybe you have a starting name, you remember the first letter, or something similar to what you want to search. You can just come here, type it, and it will come out. And sometimes here is also used as FAQ and the rest. So that is for that. That is for that. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to get more new amazing tutorial from me. Thank you so much, and I love you all. Bye.